Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App video. We're going to be looking at a ridiculous video I found called How to Make Money Selling Feet Pics with Proof. And in this video, she's using Cash App. You guys know I look at all of the Cash App hacks, scams, free money. I do reviews. I tell you if it's legit or not. So I just thought this one was insane. I haven't watched it all yet, so we're going to take a look at this and see what it's all about. They hit us with the ad.
It's best food.
She said it's best food.
What's up, you guys? It's Bess, and today I am back with another video.
Oh,
for
it's
you guys.
Bess. Bessie. She's out here. She's trying. I like this girl. Selling feet pictures is a thing. Are you kidding me? There's a lot of like weird feet guys out there.
Like feet selling picture groups, and with those groups, I was able to find out all the information I really needed.
There's feet selling picture groups on Facebook. So she's looking for groups on Kick. Oh my god, she's in like a bunch of feet pic groups. Who buys these? She made one sell on Kick. She stole feet pictures from a girl's Instagram and sold them. Gary V would approve. It's an app called Whisper. Looks like Pinterest.
I found a buyer, and this buyer actually spent $15.
Some dude bought feet pics for 15 bucks. He's asking for specific types. Photoshopped a toe ring? This is wild. Alright, here's Cash App.
I'm gonna hide his name, but this is where it says Nick right here, and he sent me $15 for that.
So Nick sent 15 bucks. This is so ridiculous. So this dude sent $5. He's a repeat buyer of feet pics. This dude's sending 10 bucks now. I think this is legit. Like, I think people are actually buying these. What'd she say? Because it's gonna be the same thing over and over. So she made $50 in 3 days. Alright, so I was just editing this. The recording stopped or something and glitched. So I lost the rest of it. I just want to break it down and say my final thoughts. I think this is completely legit if you want to put in the work. Go out and find these groups or like weird dudes that want to buy pictures of stuff. You can obviously make some money doing it. They'll pay you on Cash App. Doesn't seem like it's a ton of money, you know. She made 50 bucks in 3 days. I don't really suggest doing feet pics. I would look into collectibles markets, sports cards, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, video games, Game Boy games, things like that. You can just buy them online and then flip them, make little money, buy them on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, things like that, and then just sell them for more. Collectibles markets are huge. Vintage collectibles are huge. Even new collectibles like new sports cards, stuff like that. There's lots of buyers. There's lots of groups for this same type of thing. You can find groups on Telegram or Facebook or whatever, and these people buy your stuff. So I think that's a better route than like stealing people's feet pictures from Instagram and then selling them to creepy guys. But it's really up to you, whatever niche you want to do it in. I think what she's saying is legit. The dudes did actually send her money on Cash App. I'm not questioning that at all. It all seemed real to me. I think if you want to turn it into an actual business, you should look for other markets with more volume, more liquidity, stuff like that, rather than feet pics. But shout out to her for the video, for the idea. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out the other videos on my channel. Tons of videos about Cash App and mobile apps, tutorials, tips, tricks, things like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.